Today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Capitalize My Title WordPress plugin. Simply navigate to an existing post or page or create a new post or page. As you can see here, I'm editing the How to Write a Postcard post on Capitalize My Title. So I scroll down, I can see the standard editing box for my WordPress post. But if I go all the way to the bottom, I now see a widget once I've installed the WordPress plugin that says Capitalize My Title. I have several buttons at the top: Capitalize Selected, Capitalize All. I have checkboxes here, and I can see a list of all the headings and titles in my post. So here I have the title, How to Write a Postcard, an H2 header, picking the right postcard, etc. So as you can see, these link to the headings that I have in the main article and the title of the post. Going back to the table, I notice by looking at the capitalized column that I only have one capitalized title that is incorrectly capitalized. So that's understand that you'll be writing at the back. And it's saying here on the right side that this should be a lowercase the. So there's several ways that I can correct this title if it's improperly capitalized. I can either check this box next to it and say capitalize selected. I could click on this X and capitalize the heading. I can also click on this button on the right that says capitalize and capitalize the heading. So I'm going to try first to capitalize the selected. So as you can see, title's been capitalized. Now it's saying I'm using a lowercase the. And when I go to the main article, I can see that the has been lowercase as well. Now, if I want to go and just try messing up some other titles as well, so in this case, I'm going to say picking the right postcard, and I scroll back down, I can see that now this heading is inaccurate. So for this one, I'm going to actually go to capitalize the button on the far right. And as you can see, the title's been capitalized again, and it's using the correct capitalization in the article itself. So there's one more option for capitalizing, which is capitalize all. So what I can do is mess with several of these titles. And I'm going to actually mess with the overall title as well. When I come back down, I can see that now I have 4 titles that are incorrectly capitalized. So I'm going to go ahead and say capitalize all. And now all of these titles have been capitalized again.